Savage here, and I'm back for another letter of the day of the ABCs of April, Shay Jay-Reed style. So, today's letter of the day is H. So, what could H be? H could be hollow, it could be haunt, it could be hoagie, it could be hot dog, it could be hawk, it could be a hoodie. Who knows? So what do you think it is? Well, we're going to have to find out, right? Quickly, before we get into this diamond painting, though, I did want to let you know that Rhinestone Goddess Creations has a 100% warranty and free shipping on all her paintings. You can also get them in round or square. I will be showing a square diamond painting, but if you like the image, you can get it in a round. So she's not like other diamond painting companies where you're just stuck with that one particular, style of drill, which is fantastic because not everybody likes rounds, not everybody likes squares. Sometimes you just want to mix it up, and it's nice to have a variety, right? So with all of her diamond paintings, you will get an inventory sheet. This is one of her older kits. They now come with the inventory sheet plus a sticker sheet, so you can just peel the stickers off, slap them on your bags or, your containers, whatever it is you want to work out of. She does also offer customs. You can also, if you don't want to get the toolkit, say you have your own tray, your own diamond painting pens, and you really don't need this toolkit, right? You can opt out if you want it or not, which I think is fantastic because when I tell you, do you know how many of these toolkits that I have that they're just collecting dust? Every now and then I'll just collect a bunch of them and send them off to teachers that can use them for paint or snacks. It's a ridiculous amount, right? So every Rhinestone Goddess Creations canvas, you get your tweezers, you get your diamond painting. I don't know if you can see that. There's a diamond painting pen in there. It's got a two-placer. It's got your single placer. You've got baggies inside of baggies, which I don't know why that isn't so hard to the other companies to wrap their heads around, because I hate it. I hate it when the baggies just go all willy-nilly, just doing whatever they want. No. You get a little squishy to put on your pen for your comfort and grip. You also get your container of wax that you use to place the drills down, as well as this big, let me see if I can show it to you guys, right? You see that? That big mamba jamba of a multi-placer. Yes. Okay. As well, you also get this plastic sleeve that you can, once you take your diamond painting off of this plastic, my best friend, we have a love-hate relationship. Anywho, we're not talking about me and the, thicker plastic around the canvases. That's a whole nother story. We don't got time for that. You came for the diamond painting, right? So once you unwrap it from that stupid, nasty, not my best friend plastic, you can then store your diamond painting in this plastic sleeve along with your drills, your inventory sheet. It's fantastic. I love it. I think she's going to start getting boxes soon if she hasn't already. Let's quickly take a look at the drills. So, we're not going to get into them because, no. So, but they do already come pre-bagged, as you can see, which is fantastic. You don't got to worry about kitting up. You can just start working on it right away out of the baggies. Or you could kit it up, because like me, I would kit it up. I can't stand working out of baggies. I have to work out of containers. But yes, right? Again, it also has two ABs. As you can see, there are the ABs right there. We will get into them a little bit later. If you're new to diamond painting, AB just stands for Aurora Borealis. It's just, they just put a little shiny extra coating on the drills that just make them sparkle a little bit, brighter than the rest of them. So when the light reflects them, it's almost like blinding. But yes, okay. So this canvas has 50 colors. It is a 55 by 75 centimeter. Good Lord. Woo! So, let's get into this, right? So, who wants to take bets that me and this, ever so lovely frenemy of this plastic are going to work out today? Leave your comments down below. All the Rhinestone Goddess Creations canvases come wrapped up, and they do have a styrofoam roller in there to keep your canvas from crushing on itself, right? So, fingers crossed. Sometimes, we get along. Sometimes we don't. We shall see, right? Are you gonna like me? Are you gonna do what I say, right? Please be nice. Please be nice. Better than it usually behaves, right? I think we're starting to get the feel for each other. So they do come wrapped up in rubber bands. Sometimes there's one, sometimes there's two, sometimes there's three. I don't know. I think it just depends on whoever rolls it up. I can't make any rhyme or reason out of it. It's really not that big of a deal. So, all of the Rhinestone Goddess Creations canvases have a silk flocking material. And when I say like they are soft, like yes. Like you just want to like pet it like it's like a little, I don't know, fuzzy puppy or like little fuzzy kitten, like, and you just can't get enough of it. Okay, well, enough about, me petting the canvas. We don't need to hear all that. Here are our little styrofoam tubies, so the canvas don't crush on itself in shipping. We don't need them. Be gone. Okay, so all of the Rhinestone Goddess Creations canvases, they are poured glue, which means you can roll it onto itself the other way without worrying about destroying your canvases or, messing up the glue. Do not, I repeat, do not do this with a double-sided adhesive or a mounted glue canvas. You will cry. You will, I'm not saying you can't work on it, but it will be a royal pain in the butt. And we're just going to have to FaceTime and I'll shed some tears over it, right? But yes, so look at this beauty. Ooh, she's kind of got this like ghostly ghoulish thing to her. Yes, I'm liking it. I'm liking the blonde hair. I'm liking the like tattered dress. I'm here for it. I love the frame around it. Some of Shay Jay-Reed's artwork will have the frame around the painting. That is another option that you can get from Rhinestone Goddess Creations. If Shay Jay-Reed designed a frame to go around, the picture, Lauren will give you the options of, do you want to order this picture with the frame or would you like it without the frame? And without the frame, is it just, this wouldn't be here. This would just, be a little bit bigger, right? So, all the Rhinestone Goddess Creations canvases have her logo at the top. She also has your legend on the top left-hand side. You have your numbers, which tell you what number bag it is that goes with what symbol and what the DMC color is, right? Look at that. Holy moly, 50 colors. Here is the thumbnail. You have the title for your painting. H is for, and again, it is by the lovely Shay Jay-Reed. It is a 55 by 75 centimeter. It comes from Rhinestone Goddess Creations. This number right here, right? This number right here, it's just, the number on the painting. It will also match up with the number of on your drills. So that way, if you store your canvas separately from your drills, it will be very easy to figure out what goes to what. You don't have to, fingers crossed, hope you grab the right drills, only to find out that, like, yeah, they ain't the right ones. That's no fun. You have her Rhinestone Goddess at 22 at yahoo.com email address, as well as another legend on the bottom right-hand side. That way, if you're working on your painting and you got this done and you got it rolled up, you can still see over here to see what symbol goes with what color. So, yes. This is just absolutely stunning. Stunning. I love how she just takes cute things and just makes them creepy. It just does something for my black little soul. I can't help it. It just makes me giddy, right? So let's quickly check out the symbol field. As you can see, the symbols are very clear and easy to read. You have no problems making them out. They are not blurry. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And this is without a light pad. So you know if you have a light pad underneath it, it's going to be even more clear and easy to read. But you're probably wondering, how sticky is it? Am I going to put all these drills down here just to have them popping off? Well, first off, those drills ain't going to be popping because of the drills, right? I didn't see no knobbly bits, no junk, nothing like that, right? But sometimes it's that sticky. You put all that work in just to have your drills fall off, and then you got to seal it, and it dulls the shine, and it's frustrating. It's disheartening, right? So, is this painting, is it a stage 5 drill clinger? Let's find out. Yep, your drills are not going anywhere, right? Like when I say stage 5 clinger, right? It is sticky, 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 sticky. Okay, so let's take a look at her, right? So you got this, like, the frame kind of like, it reminds me almost of like a corset, like lace. I could be wrong, but that's what I'm getting from it. And again, just like her blonde hair, her eyes. I love like the one eye's bigger than the other. I love the brown shade she's got going in there. The tattered dress, like, oh, I am here for it, right? So, shall we find out where those 2 ABs are? Let's find out. These ABs, we have this like purple AB, which is the symbol M, which is kind of just like sprinkled in the background. It's not like a big section. It's just kind of like they just kind of took it and went shake, 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 and sprinkled it around. This yellow AB is, you got some yellow ABs like in her face. You got them just kind of, again, sprinkled throughout her hair. So, what do you guys think? What do you think the letter H stands for? I'm curious. You let me know. But you know what, guys? With that said, I'm going to hop on out of here. If you're new to the channel and you liked what you saw, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. And don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. And I'll see you next time, guys. Bye!